Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's an awareness video, a very important video which everybody needs to see because everybody brushes their tooth and a correct brushing method is very important to brush your teeth because an improper method can lead to many adverse effects on your teeth. So do watch the full video because this is really needed in your day-to-day life. So first of all, you need to know is that why do we need to brush in a correct method? Because we brush our teeth twice, but still our teeth are not so clean. Our teeth are getting unhealthy day by day. So what is the problem? Are we brushing wrong? So all these questions I will answer in this video. I will be covering up only the brushing method. So first of all, what you need to know is why do we need to brush our teeth correctly? To this, I want to enlighten you that if you do not brush your teeth in a correct method, that is going to lead to many adverse effects for your teeth. What are those adverse effects? First of all, your teeth enamel is going to be affected. So as you know, enamel is the hardest structure in our body. That enamel is going to be affected if you brush incorrectly every day. I have a model of our jaw here. Do not get scared, this is just a model. I have this with me from my student life. See many of the teeth are already broken down. I have worked on this. So anyways, but this will be a good model to teach you the brushing techniques or the other problems related to improper brushing methods. If you brush your teeth in an incorrect way, it is going to lead to cervical tooth abrasion. So what is cervical tooth abrasion? For that, I will need to show you our teeth structure. So as you can see, we have our crown portion. This is known as the crown portion, the portion which is visible to our eye, this portion, but the tooth is actually longer. The tooth has the root below this. So this gum portion has the root and it hides the root portion of your tooth. So the junction between this visible portion of your tooth and the root, that is this very portion, there is a line, you can see the gum line. This line is known as the cervix of the tooth. So this portion gets eroded. This portion, there is abrasion if you brush your teeth in an improper method. So there is wearing away of valuable tooth structure if you do that. So if there is wearing away of the valuable tooth structure or the enamel from this cervix portion of your tooth, then that is going to lead to severe sensitivity. So you see, if you brush your teeth in an improper method, it is going to lead to sensitivity or many other adverse effects. Other adverse effects can be, there can be a recession of the gums. This gum which we have, the gum can recede from its position. That is, it may come down from its position. So if it comes down from its position, that is going to lead to the exposure of that root which it was hiding. So that root is coming exposed to the environment, to the hot, cold food. Other problems which can be formed due to an improper brushing technique are traumatic injuries in your oral cavity. There can be traumatic injuries inside your oral cavity, inside your mouth more precisely. So if you are just brushing very hard or brushing very vigorously, so that is going to lead to a trauma to any part of your oral cavity, that is going to cause any traumatic injury. Traumatic injury can be an ulceration of that part or any such thing. So we should always brush in a correct method. Another concept I really want to clear out is that people think that the vigorously you brush, the longer time you take to brush, your teeth are going to get cleaner. Your teeth are going to get whiter. That is totally a wrong notion. That is totally a wrong thinking, I want to say. People think that the natural color of our tooth is pearly white. But that is wrong. Our tooth is not pearly white. It is not at all pristine white. The natural color, what God has gifted us, what we have in our yellowish white. This you should get into your heads very well, because people tend to come to us dentists and tell us that we want pearly white teeth. But pearly white is not the natural color of your teeth. So if you are getting pearly white teeth, that is going to look very unnatural, as we have yellowish white teeth which is God gifted. Some people have a bit less yellow which seems to be whiter, but it's not pearly white. So very wrong concept is that the more vigorously we brush, we are going to achieve that pearly whiteness. But that is not true, because our teeth were never pearly white. And the more vigorously you are brushing your teeth, the more you are causing harm to your teeth, because your teeth, the valuable structure of your teeth is wearing away. That is, you are harming your enamel. People also brush for 10 minutes, 15 minutes. That is not at all correct. You are not supposed to brush for that long. You are not supposed to brush. Brushing that long can lead again to a very dangerous situation for your teeth. So do not do that. Then what is the correct timing duration of brushing? The correct duration of brushing is 2 minutes. You are going to brush for 2 minutes in the morning, 2 minutes in the night. So twice you are going to brush your teeth, and only for 2 minutes, not for 15 minutes, because that is going to harm your teeth. Today I will be talking about only the brushing technique and the related topics. Toothbrush and the toothpaste I will cover some other day, because otherwise this video will get too long and you will get bored and you will not watch the full video, which I do not want. I want you to watch the full video and really gain the knowledge so that you brush properly from now on. Now coming to the main topic of our video, the method in which we are going to brush our teeth. There are many methods of brushing our teeth, but from them the one which we will use and which we should use for a very good oral hygiene is called as modified Bass technique. So there is a Bass technique, but Bass technique is not used by us. We should use the modified Bass technique for a proper brushing method. I will be explaining to you the modified Bass technique. So just think that this is your teeth. I have an old toothbrush here, the brushing technique in this model. So in modified Bass technique, what we will do is place the toothbrush at a 45-degree angle to your teeth. So 45-degree angle like this, and bristles should be towards this sulcus area, that is towards the upper portion, towards the jaw. So this should be your position of the brush, as you can see. So a 45-degree angle, and now what we are going to do? Small circular motions, gentle circular motions. So gentle circular motions, small gentle, that is small gentle circular motions, and then we are going to just roll out. That is, we are going to roll out in the direction in which we are having food. That is, this is the upper jaw, so we chew our food from this side, so it is downwards. But for the lower jaw, we have our food from this portion, so it's upwards. So I will tell you what I mean to say. So 45-degree angle, small circular motions and roll. For the lower jaw, small circular motions, and then you're just rolling it towards your eating surface. So this is the modified Bass method. So that is the difference in modified Bass method. In Bass method, we just do this circular motions, the small circular motions. We do not do the roll thing. So in modified Bass method, we do this small circular motions at a 45-degree angle and roll. You should be achieving 20 strokes at a time approximately for 3 tooth at a time. So obviously the bristles are going to cover 2 to 3 tooth. So obviously you're not going to brush the full thing and then you're going to roll. No, you should always be doing it for 3 tooth. 3 tooth, 20 strokes. So gentle circular motion and roll. So this has 2 motions. You can see that there are 2 motions actually working predominantly, that is vibratory and circular. These motions are very favorable for cleaning up the in-between tooth spaces of any food debris, of any plaque material. You might be wondering that what are we going to do for the inside portion of the tooth, because as this is a model, this is opening up so much wide, but our mouth does not open so much and it's very difficult to fit in the toothbrush like that at a 45-degree angle and all. So that is a problem. So for the lingual portion, I'm sorry, that's a dentist term. So for the inner portions of your teeth, you're just going to do the up and down motion, So for the inner portions, you're just doing the up and down motions like this. So this is easier to do because rolling and all, you won't be able to do it for the inner portions. So it's better to do this up and down for only the inner portions of your teeth. Now for this surface of the tooth, the back portions of your tooth, How are you going to clean that? Obviously you cannot do a circular motion in this. So for that you're just going to do a forward backward motion. The molars are going to be cleaned like this, and for the upper also like this and like this. I think I got to answer all your queries regarding the brushing technique, because I know that many of you, I must say that most of you do not know the correct brushing technique and you just brush it anyhow. Just do the work of the day by brushing your teeth. But no, that's not the way. You should brush for 2 minutes twice daily, and with the correct brushing technique, that is a modified Bass technique. So please follow this brushing technique to have a very healthy teeth. I'm not telling you to have a pearly white teeth, because that is not achievable. Pearly white teeth is not achievable. So that was it. I hope my video was helpful. So I also have other dental related videos on my channel. Do watch it. I'll just provide the link in the description box. Do watch the videos, and please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icon and share this video with your friends. I think brushing with the correct method is very necessary, and everybody should brush in the correct way. And so please do comment below how you liked my video. Thank you so much for listening to me. Bye bye.